goes to my honorable principal, Sister Tracy, without whom the conduction of the program, this gathering would have not been possible at all. I take immense pleasure in thanking my vice principal for her constant guidance throughout the year. Next, my heartfelt thanks to all the beloved teachers who are not only our teachers but our second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, inspire us, and motivate us each and every moment of our life. I also take the opportunity to thank all the students of class 9 for such a beautiful program in a very short period of time. All the uncles and aunties without whom it have not been possible at all. You all are a great inspiration for us. You are the spark, the light, the candle of our life and our inspiration at every moment of our life. You only deserve the best. शेर बनकर आए जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में, शेर बनकर आए जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में, ऐसे टीचर्स को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ। आसमान, ज़मीन से आसमान तक पहुँचाने का जो रखते हैं हुनर, ज़मीन से आसमान तक पहुँचाने का जो रखते हैं हुनर, ऐसे टीचर्स को मैं दिल से सलाम करती हूँ। The knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you share, and the way you teach makes you the world's best teacher. Now, I would like to share my few views based on my school. First of all, I would like to say that Jeevan Jyoti Convent School has become our identity. Yes, JJCS हमारी पहचान है. Every word of the school means knowledge, and that defines our identity. Knowledge, not only in the aspect of studies, but knowledge in aspects of skills, sports, and all the other developmental activities. लेकर इस स्कूल को उस मुकाम पर गर्व से उठाए हमारा सर, लेकर इस स्कूल को उस मुकाम पर गर्व से उठाए हमारा सर, हम रहे ना रहे अब पल याद आएंगे बिताए हुए आपके साथ हर पल. टीचर्स, ज़रूरत रहेगी हमेशा हमें आपकी हर पल, हमें आपकी हर पल. We all are born in the same way and are grown up in same way. But what makes the difference is the guideline given to us. Yes, today by standing here, I can proudly say that the guideline given to us by our school teachers is the best guideline that we can't get in our entire life. This school has supported me in each and every twist and turns of my life. Every school gives knowledge, but this school shapes the future of a child. This school has not only taught me the right thing, but also taught me to differentiate between the right and wrong. I can very well remember when I entered this school, I was variably able to relate to myself to someone who is deaf, blind, and dumb all at the same time. I wasn't knowing what to hear. I wasn't having words to speak. I wasn't having proper perception of vision. But this school had shaped me and made me develop in such a way that today I can very well relate and differentiate between the before me and now me. This school has made me what I am today. Whenever we all will become something in our life and look back into our past, the first and the foremost thing coming into our mind would be our school, Jeevan Jyoti Convent School. It's not because we have passed more than 9 to 10 years over here, but we have been grown up. We have been made from a seed to a plant over here. This school will always have a valuable contribution in our life. Whenever someone asks me from which school are you, I don't know why, I don't know how, but a feeling of pride comes inside me and I speak the most beautiful truth of my life, that I am from JJCS. लोग कहते हैं खुदा को पूजो जन्नत मिलेगी, लोग कहते हैं खुदा को पूजो जन्नत मिलेगी, मैं कहती हूँ टीचर्स को आते देखो जन्नत खुद ब खुद सामने आ जाएगी. This school is heaven for us. Heaven provided us with all sort of development. इस स्कूल ने हमें सपने दिखाए हैं और उन सपनों को पूरा करने की हिम्मत भी दी है. Now, I would like to share a list of things which I have learned from this school and will remember for my lifetime. The first and the foremost, each and every culture performed by this school in front of us. Second, challenges are not to fear about, they are to be overcome. Third, have curiosity to learn. Fourth, I'll never ever forget the Julie made by this school. Whatever I am today, it's all because of you. It's all because of this school. Now, I would like to say something about my teachers. कल हम जहाँ भी होंगे, जिस पोजीशन पे होंगे, उसका स्तंभ होंगे आप, उसका आधार होंगे आप, उसकी नींव होंगे आप। मैं आप सभी के लिए कुछ चंद पंक्तियाँ पेश करना चाहती हूँ। नूपुर सुंदर झंकार से, नूपुर सुंदर झंकार से, रंगों की बहार से होली सुंदर, रंगों की बहार से होली सुंदर, दीपों की सजावट से दीपावली सुंदर, दीपों की सजावट से दीपावली सुंदर। आप जैसे टीचर्स से हम जैसे स्टूडेंट्स का भविष्य सुंदर, आप जैसे टीचर्स से हम जैसे स्टूडेंट्स का भविष्य सुंदर। नाउ अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग। जिसने हमें ज्ञान से जोड़े रखा वो मजबूत धागा हो आप, जिसने हमें ज्ञान से जोड़े रखा वो मजबूत धागा हो आप। सैकड़ों की भाषा हो आप, ज्ञान की परिभाषा हो आप, सैकड़ों की भाषा हो आप, ज्ञान की परिभाषा हो आप। Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and every individual of JJCS family, especially my honorable principal, for giving me this opportunity to stand here and express my views. All the teaching staff and non-teaching staff for supporting me and having faith on me these many years, for guiding me and inspiring me at each and every aspect of my life and each and every moment of my life. Today, I'm not here to say goodbye to you because saying goodbye means going away and going away means forgetting you all. And I think the only thing the God has not given me energy for to forget you all. It's extremely hard for me and I'll miss you so much. Whether it's my principal, vice principal, Sister Charlotte, all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, uncles and aunties, my friends, fellow classmates, juniors, and each and every member of JJCS family. I'm going to miss you all so much. Lastly, सूरज की किरणों के साथ सुबह की महक के साथ, सूरज की किरणों के साथ सुबह की महक के साथ, पंछियों की चहक के साथ मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ आप सभी का JJCS की इस क्यूट सी पार्टी के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। थैंक्स अ लॉट।